Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, and let me show you how to change video quality on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the camera app and let's tap on the settings right here. As you can see here, we've got the main camera options and selfie camera options, and in both we've got the video size. So let's pick, for example, the main camera. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got some options to choose from. Let's choose something, for example this one, and as you can see, it immediately changes, so from now on you will record videos in chosen quality. The same situation will be with the selfie camera, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got less options to choose from, but still, let's choose something, and again the same situation, it changes immediately. So that's all. This is how to change video size in your Motorola Moto G 5G Plus. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.